So you want people to find you on LinkedIn, but once they click on your profile, they're going to scroll through to your experiences to see if what you've done matches what they're looking for. Today, I'll show you how to add your work experiences to LinkedIn, and I'll teach you how to optimize it so you show up higher in search and make sure to give recruiters and potential clients exactly what they're looking for. I'm Cassandra, and I help motivated professionals build their careers and businesses through practical tips that take the overwhelm out of the career journey. So the most basic way to add your work experience to LinkedIn is to upload your resume when you first create your profile and let it just default everything based on experiences. That's an easy way to start. I have found it doesn't always work properly. Sometimes the dates are in the wrong spot, or the title goes where the company name is, and vice versa. So you might want to start there, but you're going to do a lot of editing. Now, let's say you're already on the platform and we need to add new experiences. This is how I would do that. I would fill in each position one by one, obviously. First off, if you work at a smaller division of a larger company, write the larger company so you get the nice logo next to you, and then you can add in on title, your title, comma, whatever division you work in. So you'll come up in search for both. Good. Then, if you have a resume that already has bullet points on it of what you do, just copy paste those bullet points into the experience description section and let it fill in for you. That's great. If you are your own business and you don't have a resume with that, start creating some bullet points either in Microsoft Word or a Google Doc, or even just notes with the bullet points on your phone, and copy paste from there into your experience description. It's just going to look a little cleaner and a little easier to read when it's in bullet point form rather than paragraphs. If for some reason the bullet points don't come over, you can also use little dashes, anything to kind of segment out the things you do. And if you're not sure where to find all of this, you're always just going to click on your picture in the top right of your LinkedIn. It'll go to your profile, and then you can hit edit from there under experiences, the little pencil, and you can add everything in from that section. So a special note for business owners, if you are creating your experiences and you're adding your own business, please do not use the description to tell me what the business does. Tell me what you do for the business. So if I want to find out what your business does, I will go to your company page, but I want to know here what you do. It doesn't mean you can't tell me about the business in your description, but tell it to me through what you do for the business. So maybe you are starting your own marketing company. So you can say, create marketing campaigns for small businesses in the travel and tourism industry. So I still kind of know what you did, but I know that you're creating the marketing campaigns, not the company, right? Go through all the different details of what you do, not just a brief description of the company. That's the key thing. And if you need help on this because you haven't written a resume, you're your own company, you don't have to write a resume, the key way of adding your descriptions of what you do is action verb plus your task, action verb plus the task plus how or why you do it. So that's a really nice clean way to get those descriptions on the page. And then make sure you add searchable terms in your descriptions, as adding those will help you rank higher in search. So if you use Adobe Photoshop to create social media posts for your current company, say that you create the posts using Adobe Photoshop. Don't just let Adobe Photoshop be under skills. Put it in your descriptions as well. From what I have heard, that will help you rank higher in search, so you want to make sure it's in there. I hope this helps you in adding your work experiences to LinkedIn. If you need more LinkedIn help, I've got a whole playlist for you right here. And if you just want to watch some other good old career info, I've got a personalized video for you right here. So click on one of those, keep watching. Thank you so much for watching this one. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the little thumbs up button if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.